Hello, welcome back to my channel, and I'm your Nimsha Davies. And today, I'm so excited to launch something new. And this will be a completely different series on this channel where I'll cover all the latest tech news daily. That's why we are calling it one second. Yes, Tech Pulse with Nimsha Davis. And just a quick note, I haven't completed my PhD yet. I'm planning to pursue it, so don't get confused about the title doctor. For now, I'll simply go by my name, okay? So I'm your Nimshat Davis. Alright, with that cleared up, let's dive into today's big story. The White House in the US has proposed a radical new idea: tariff on foreign electronic devices based on the number of semiconductor chips inside them. The goal is clear: to reduce the dependency on Asian countries like China and Taiwan and strengthen the domestic manufacturing. But here's the catch: this would directly affect everyday devices like TV, smartphone, and even electric cars. So, chips are the brain of modern electronics. Your smartphone that has around 50 to 100 chips. A car, it may have as many as 1500 chips, especially electric vehicles. So, under this plan, the more chips inside, the higher the tariff, which means the devices we all rely on could soon get more expensive. What does this mean for consumers like us? In the short term, higher price for the imported gadget. In the long run, companies may be forced to build products locally, creating jobs but still keeping the prices on the higher side. And interestingly, we might even see a new trend: companies designing devices with fewer chips just to avoid high tariffs. Now, here's where India enters the story. India is rapidly rising as a semiconductor hub. Companies like Foxconn, Powerchip, and even TSMC are exploring investment here. This fits perfectly with the government's Make in India initiative. So, while tariffs may disrupt the global trade, India could actually benefit by becoming a preferred base for the R&D, manufacturing and exports also. And that means more jobs and opportunity for Indian tech professionals. Industry response is very mixed. In the US, companies welcome local manufacturing but worry about the increased cost. And in Asia, manufacturers are warning of supply chain disruptions. And analysts are even calling this the beginning of a new tech trade war, where supply chains split into regional blocks like US, India on one side, and China, Asia on the other side. The ripple effect could be huge. If cost rise, the company may cut back on the research and innovation. Consumer electronics could become more of a luxury than necessity. And electric vehicle, which rely heavily on chips, may face price hikes and production delays. But on the flip side, startups could find opportunities in semiconductor designs, chip testing, and hardware innovation. So, what does this mean for all of us? Expect gadgets to become costlier in the coming years. We may soon see more devices labeled made in India or made in USA. For professionals, this is the right time to upskill in semiconductors, IoT, and chip design. And for the entrepreneurs, this could be the chance to step into chip supply chain ecosystem. So to wrap up, Chip based tariff could reshape the future of technology. The big question is, should countries push for local manufacturing even if it make gadget more expensive for consumer? And I love to hear your thoughts. You can share them in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for your daily update here on Tech Pulse with Nimsha Davis. And if you want to read more about this article, I'll put the official source link in the description below so you can check it out directly. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.